Ikot mo at yung halin sa check. Same like that one more ko. Delete.
This is African lion, guys. You can see, guys, yung isang lion mga tulog, guys. Ayun. Kaya pala nila pinaalala na danger kasi
Sleeping.
lion. Ito yung fishing cat nila. Tulog, guys, yung hippopotamus. Yung hippopotamus sila, guys. Tingnan mo ang laki. It's like Carabao.